Hello students, welcome back to our lesson today. So for our lesson today, we are going to do a vocabulary task. Now let's turn to page 60 of your textbook. Okay, alright, let's look at the first task, task A. Okay, let's read the instruction together. Label the pictures with these words. Okay, what are the words? Look at the words in the yellow word bank. The first one, block of flats, and then bungalow and castle. Cottage, detached house, semi-detached house, tent, terraced house. Okay, so we have to label these pictures here, pictures 1 until picture 8, with these words on the yellow word bank. All right. Now, the first picture. What is it? Yes, it is a castle. Okay, castle. What about the second one? It looks like in a desert. Okay, normally the housing there looks like this. What do we call that? Yes, it is a tent. And what about this one, the third picture? It looks like a flat, right? A flat in our country. So what do we call that? Yeah, block of flats. Of flats. Okay, let's cancel the words that we have used already. Okay, we've used castle, we've used tent. Okay, now we are left with these words. What about the fourth picture? Look at the fourth picture. What kind of a house do you think that is? I'm not sure myself. Could it be bungalow? Could it be a detached house? No, definitely not detached house. Semi-detached house? Terrace house? Bungalow. I think it's a bungalow. Okay. Oh, this could number 5 be a bungalow? Hmm. Maybe we could leave number 4 and 5 first. Let's look at number 6. What kind of house is that? Could it be a detached house? Could it be a semi-detached house? Okay, what is the difference between detached and semi-detached? Detached house, detached comes from the word attach, but the opposite of attach. Detached means the opposite of attach. Attach means bersambung, connected. So detached means tidak bersambung, not connected. So the house is going to be an individual house, standalone in a compound, right? Yes, it could be a bungalow, but a detached house is smaller than a bungalow. All right. Now, what do you think number 6 is? Could it be a detached house? No, definitely not because it's attached, right? Look at the line here. It's attached between houses. One house, two house, and third house, and it could go on there. Could it be a semi-detached? No, it's not semi. Semi here means half, partially detached. Maksudnya macam ni, like this, like number 8, like the house number 8 here. Notice how there's only two house, house 1 and then house 2. It is attached and it shares a wall here. It shares a wall in the middle here. So this is semi-detached, only involve two house. So this makes the picture 6 as terrace, terrace house. Okay, we have terrace housing in our country, right? Rumah terrace. Notice how a terrace house will have like a few long rows, and all of the houses are attached with each other, melekat-lekat, connected to each other. Macam rumah house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all are connected. Okay, diorang meaning that they share a wall. Ha. So kalau you buat bising sikit in your house, menjerit ke bergaduh ke, and then the people living in the next house can hear you, kan? Kalau rumah you kat tengah-tengah, tersepit in between two houses. Meaning that two household lah can hear your voice. So number 6 is terrace house. What about number 7? The picture number 7. It is called cottage. How do we know it's a cottage? Well, macam ni lah. This is how it looks like at the plants. Lepas tu style dia pun style macam English style. Lepas tu macam countryside lah. This is normally can be found in the countryside. Okay. And then number 8. Number 8 is, tadi I have explained just now, it's a what? It's a semi-detached, yeah, sebab dia involve two houses only. Semi-detached house. Okay, this makes number 4 and 5 what? Mana satu bungalow? Mana satu detached? Which one do you think is bigger? Number 4 or number 5? I think number 4 is bigger, tapi it looks smaller in the picture because of the perspective. Kamera tu duduk jauh sikit. So I think this is a bungalow. Bungalow. And number 5 is detached house. Again, detached house means a house that on its own, that is standalone in a compound. Detached house. Okay. Now, I want to ask you, which house do you think is your ideal house? In which house do you think you want to live in? If if you were to ask me, I want to live in house number 7, the cottage style, because I like how it looks like, I like how sustainable it is, how it is surrounded by nature. I like the style. It's gonna be peaceful. Yeah, by looking at the picture, I feel peaceful. What about you? Okay, now let's look at the next task B. Okay, let's read the instruction. Circle the odd ones out. Odd means yang pelik, yang lain daripada yang lain. Different from another, different from other things. Okay, contohnya, I give you an example. Number 1, bedroom, garden and bathroom. Okay, bedroom bilik tidur, garden laman rumah, taman, bathroom bilik mandi. So which one is the odd ones out, yang pelik, yang lain? Okay, bedroom and bathroom is the same thing. It is a room. It is the rooms in a house, while garden is a space outside the house. So this garden is the odd one out. What about the second one? Lift, third floor, ground floor. Lift, third floor, ground floor. Third floor dengan ground floor tu is indicates the level of a building, right? Third floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor. Meanwhile, lift is the machine that carry people up to the floor they want to go. So this one is the odd one out. Number third. Number 3. Toilet, sink, fridge. Which one is the odd one? Fridge, sink, toilet. Yeah, toilet is the odd one out because sink and fridge are the things that we can found that can be found in the kitchen area. Okay. Number 4, ceiling, roof, keys. Ceiling and roof are the building structure of your house kan. Ceiling and roof. Meanwhile, keys macam keys tu is an item, small item. So this one, keys, is the odd ones out. What about number 5? Garage, sofa, bed. Obviously garage. Garage is an area in a house, a part of the house. We know a sofa and bed is considered furniture. They are in the same category. Number 6, living room, kitchen, wall. Living room, kitchen, wall. Living room is a part of the house. Kitchen is also a part of the house. Wall is also a part of the house, but it is not a section of the house. It is the building structure of the house. So wall is the odd one out. All right, there you go. We have our answer already. Now let's look at the next task, the last task. C, task C. Choose the correct answers to complete the sentences. Okay, now let's complete the sentences. When we go camping, I'll rely on you to put up the ceiling, terrace. Yes, the tent. Kita pergi camping, kita pasang kemah kan? When we go to camping, we put up a tent, kan? Tent tu apa? Kemah. Number two, my sister's going to move into a something something of flats in the West End. A lift of flats, a block of flats, a garage of flats. Yes, a block of flats. Number three, the great thing about a something something house is that you don't share any walls with anyone. Huh? What kind of a house that doesn't share walls with anyone? It's either a detached house or a bungalow. Huh? Cari ada ke? Is there any bungalow or detached house? Yes. Terrace is not the answer. Semi-detached is also not the answer. So the answer is C, detached. Number four, you can see the castle on the cliff out of my bathroom. Bathroom what? Bathroom sink? Bathroom window? Bathroom bungalow? You boleh nampak ke tempat lain melalui sinki? Can you see other places from your sink? No. From your bungalow? Probably, but most specific, you can see through something. You can see something through a window. Okay, number five. When I get older, I'm going to buy a lovely something something with a stream in the garden. I know the answer for this one because I like it. Yeah, I'm going to buy not a third floor, not a lovely kitchen, but a lovely cottage with a stream in the garden. Stream tu macam like sungai kecil. Sungai kecil. Alright. Number six. Mom, you look tired. I'll tidy the something something for you. When you wanna help with your mom, which area of the house that you would clean? Is it the fridge? Is it the ceiling? Probably you can even reach the ceiling. Probably not. What about C, living room? Yes, living room makes the most sense. Number seven. Dad, can you help? I can't open the something something door. The keys door, the garage door, or the bed door. Yeah, grammatically also, you know, obviously the answer would be B, garage. Well, garage door is usually very heavy, so normally a small child wouldn't be able to like, lift the garage door on his or her own because garage door is made of metal, heavy metal, and it rolls out like a shop lots punya door. Rumah-rumah kedai tu kan, dia macam you kena tarik daripada bawah, besar besar buat bunyi bising bila every time we try to open the apa? Kita panggil apa tu? Pintu keselamatan. Apa tah? The roll out metal door. I tak tahu. I don't know what it's called. If you know, then let me know lah. Okay. Okay, the last one. Your plumber did a great job. Your new something something looks lovely. Your new sink looks lovely. Your new garden looks lovely. Your new roof. Okay, siapa? Who did a great job? Plumber. So this is the clue. Plumber. So plumber will do works involving piping, involving water. So the answer is sink. Yes, there you go. We have our answer. Okay, so that is all for our lesson today. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys again in our next lesson. Bye bye.